Hi guys, I want to make a video about how I clean my refrigerator. I know this is a weird topic or whatever, but I thought I would give it a try because I haven't seen very many of those. So I would like you guys to see how I do it. Since you guys have liked my house cleaning routine so much, I'm gonna do each of it individually, places in my house and how I maintain and clean that area, and that way I can help you guys furthermore to keep your houses clean. I mean, my house is not clean all the time, you know, I try, but you know, it happens that occasional time when you are just either tired or really not in the mood. So my house is not tidy every single time, but I try to. Now that I'm getting older, I'm becoming a little more perfectionist, I was told. I don't know if that's good or not, but I like things to be in its place at all times. I'm not OCD about it, but I would like for it to be in the same place. So let me show you guys my fridge, my refrigerator. Right now it's very messy, I'm gonna warn you, but that's the whole point. Showing you the messy part and showing you the clean part. So here we go. I'm a little bit hesitant as to show you. So okay, this is my refrigerator. This is how it looks right now. I have one of those French doors, and it was already in the house when I purchased this, so that's why it doesn't match these appliances. These appliances I bought myself. And see, like all of this going on in the front and in the side, I hate that. But sometimes I need it because I have doctor's appointments at times, so I'm gonna leave it there for now. Okay, so now let me show you the inside. I don't know how to do this. Okay, so you open this door, and here I have this going on. Okay, like that, and then you open the other door, and this is what I have in the other door. And this is the messy part. Okay, this is the top. It's just random stuff laying there or whatever. Like that, and then it has this drawer, and it's a little bit messy because I had veggies there and right here, and this one is completely empty because today is the day that I go to Walmart to purchase some food. Have random stuff. See, my veggies drawer is completely empty, so I'm gonna clean it up. And this is my freezer. Okay, so this is the stuff that I have in the freezer. Okay, and then you open it, see, you open it a little more, pull it, and this one slides, and I have more stuff. Okay, and it's a little messy too, but I went to Walmart and I purchased some food. So if you see new items in the refrigerator that you didn't see while I was showing you this, that's the reason why, because I just went and purchased new items. So I will place the camera in a place where you guys can see me, and I will be cleaning it. I'll be right back. But YouTube's not gonna let me have music, so I'm gonna put music to myself, and you guys just watch me and I'll put music on the background for you guys. Okie dokes, let's see. Okay. See, when that starts beeping, it means close me. Close me, I'm getting too hot. So I'm going to close it for a little. Okay, so I am done cleaning the refrigerator, and this is how it looks now. It didn't take me long to clean it, only like 20-30 minutes, because I don't like to keep a lot of clutter in it. You might see that it's pretty empty. Okay, I just keep the essentials and I replace them every week or every time that I run out. So here's this section over here. I like to keep the cheeses over here. See, I like queso fresco and I like my Munster cheese. And then here's the Italian or whatever. My sauces, my dressings. This is just a random Coronita. And Great Value organic soy milk, because my daughter and I, we drink soy milk. And there's the regular vitamin D milk for my son and my hubby. And there's more soy milk for my daughter and me. This is the open one, this is the new one. The ketchup, because every household has a ketchup, even though it's not healthy for you, whatever. These are the, oh man, how am I gonna do this? This is the overview, can't talk. Okay, so I have my Greek spread over there, and then some jalapeno. Then over here I have the Earth Balance soy-free butter. I use this for my daughter for everything because she's allergic to butter. And here's the regular butter for my son and my husband for toast or whatever they want, pancakes. Okay, and then in the middle section I have right here some salsa that I made, and some Daya cheese, and some yogurt. I like this kind. And then here I have the hazelnut spread for the coffee. I used to drink coffee a lot. And then there's the coconut cream. I was trying the coconut. Then teriyaki sauce, sriracha, a vanilla frappuccino that I have. And then there's coconut milk and soy milk, chocolate and vanilla for my daughter because I pack her lunch every day. There's just a random chicken breast thawing because I'm gonna make fettuccine alfredo. Then you open this drawer and I have my Power Up greens over here, which is baby kale and some greens, chard and spinach. Have lemon because everything goes well with lemon. This is what I make vegetable soup with. My daughter and I, we love vegetable soup. Here's just some random veggies. And then the other one has yogurt and then pickles, and then this is my cheese. I'm trying out this Daya cheese. I bought it at King Soopers and it's actually pretty good. I mean, the taste is very different, but you know, it's doable when you are used to eating and drinking soy stuff. And this is a big one over here, and see, I don't have much, but I like to keep it like this. Here is broccoli and cauliflower, and just cauliflower, and then organic carrots, and then my favorite type of apples. These are Honey Crisp. And then I just bought this for the kids, brown sugar cinnamon bread or whatever. And then on this side I just keep the eggs and the hot sauces and the mayo because it fits, and the mustard. Down here is the soda, RC. Hubby likes Coca-Cola, so I got him his Coca-Cola. So this is the overview of my refrigerator. I hope you guys like it. And this is a freezer. See, I try to keep it semi-organized over here. It's not too much. See, strawberries, some mango, papaya, pineapple, frozen pineapple. I like to keep those here so that I can do a smoothie in the morning with the kale and the spinach and stuff. And these are just tomatillos that I make my salsa with, that I already have a video of if you would like to know about it. And I just found that chicken fried rice randomly at Walmart the other day, and I brought it home. Then the Napolitan for my son, the soy vanilla for my daughter. I know it's blurry. The pizza rolls because they were 60 cents. I mean, you know, a little treat now and then, it's not gonna hurt them. Then down here I have the meats. I have the stew meat, more chicken. I have the beef patties for some hamburgers, and then turkey burger patties because I like turkey, and chicken patties for when I'm really in a hurry. And this one is just ice. And that is it.